Hello, hi, it's Liz here and I'm back today with the full deck challenge organised by Shanna at Shinuki Art over on YouTube and a Facebook page. So we are at number 7 and it's dark blue. So yeah, happy with how the collection's coming along. So I've prepped my playing card. I've just added a little bit of denim material from hubby's old shirt and given it a little stitch round, and I've added my number to the back in preparation. So we're at number 7, dark blue. Yep. And I'll just show you the stamps I used. It's Dali Art Mendy Numbers Within Numbers. I use them every week for this number on the back, and then this little set I just stamp out the prompt, dark blue, and I use my VersaFine Onyx Black. Okay, so dark blue, I have looked out this little 6x6 pad that I had from my many moons ago card making, and there was some dark blue in amongst the pages, and I thought, right, that's it, because I found it quite tricky to actually find any dark blue. So I have a few pages picked out. We're just going to put some strips, I think, of these 3 pages, which have all got the dark blue in them. I don't know, the top cover seems to have disappeared. I don't know, to me it maybe looks, I don't know, I'd be guessing. I don't know what name it is, what make it is. Have no idea. So I was going to cut out this little chap, not chap, girl. This wee girl is going to be cut out and then layered onto some strips of this paper. So I have already painstakingly cut her out. Did not too bad a job. I didn't go round her fingers, and obviously I had to leave a little bit round the umbrella there. But yeah, so, and I'm not sure about maybe adding in one of the words no rain, no rainbow, dance in the rain, 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 go away. Maybe one of them will be added, I think, to my, that will be my carry forward. The words, my constant is the little fabric tag, and yeah, so we'll need to add one of those words. I think I used that carry forward from last week as well, but doesn't matter. It's only a wee extra thing, I think. So we will have her somewhere here, and we will just do a few strips of the paper. So I want some rough edges. I'm just trying to think. Right, so that's fine. I don't want that straight edge there, so I'm just going to take another wee layer. And I'm not wanting to go right to the edge, so I think about there will do it. For number 1, I like to leave my number, but I might just have to cover a little bit of it there. Right, so the raindrops are first, and then the umbrellas are next. So again, I want that one's a wee bit too long. the umbrellas, and then of course the flowers at the bottom, because the rain is making the flowers grow. So now I've always got to think, because I want to tear it a certain way so that the white bit is on the other side. That's maybe just a wee bit too wide again. I think I need to take a little bit off the umbrellas. Right, so we've got raindrops, and I want my 4, and then we'll put that under there, like that, and we'll have that like that, and then I think Dancing in the Rain's going to be too big. I think we'll just cut out this No Rain, No Rainbow. And we can just put that there somewhere. Yeah, okay, so I want to get the raindrops down first, and I'm just going to use my glue stick. I don't think it matters that the whole project is not navy blue, or not dark blue anyway. I think as long as there's dark blue there. And then we'll put this one on. And then the brolly's in the middle. We've not had rain for a little while. We're going through a wee dry spell. Really cold though. Super cold, but nice and dry. That's quite nice. Little easy strips of paper. Yeah. She's like singing in the rain, isn't she? The funniest bit in Singing in the Rain is when, oh now, the minute I go to tell you, I've forgotten. Donald, the other guy that's not Gene Kelly. Donald, that's the funniest bit when they're dancing or and having a carry on with a sofa, I think, that bit. Donald. No, it's not coming. No doubt somebody will tell me in the comments, or else I'll not be able to stop myself Googling it when I stop filming. O'Connor, is it Donald O'Connor? I think it might be Donald O'Connor. There. So we need a little eyelet so that we can get it through and join its pals. Right. Now I know I don't have blue, so we'll need to pick a contrasting colour, and we'll maybe go with the red. See if there's a red one. Yeah, the red's good. Now they're slightly smaller. Let me just check that that's going to go through. Yep, that's fine. Better to be safe than sorry. Okay, and we want the bigger one, so it's this side. And we are the right way up, and we're just going to go in the middle somewhere there. Pop that on, and in carefully, and squeeze. Squeeze as hard as we can. There we are. Right, so I've got my new stand, so I can wobble. Oh, I can wobble the desk. Now, that's because the desk moved a bit to nudge it there. So I can wobble the desk, and the camera should still stay still because my new stand is on the floor now instead of attached to the desk. So that's even better. Right, that's us. No rain, no rainbow. Singing in the rain. Happy with that. Okay, nice and short and quick today. Yeah, so thanks for joining me today, and thanks for watching. And if you've enjoyed the video, always appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe if you fancy seeing more videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.